Hello guys, today I have got the VIVO X300 FE and I'm going to show you how to use gesture navigation on VIVO X300 FE. And first thing, to enable this mode, go to settings, scroll all the way down, tap system management and tap here system navigation. As you can see, you're going to tap here full screen gestures. Now you can learn them. Of course, you should see here a prompt to see a tutorial, but if you miss that, you can here tap learn gestures. You can, as you can see here, back to home screen using this button, using this type of gesture. So like this, you can view recent applications by pushing and holding, like stopping and holding. You can go back like this, or either using the left or right edge, and I don't know what else can they show us, but let's check here. Learn gestures, the fourth one, should recent application. Okay, that's actually useful if you have 2 or more or 3 applications or anything like that. You can move them around using this gesture, like swiping left, right. That's how it works. Goodbye.